Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay rent on Flex app. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Flex app. And make sure you are using your email and password if you are not already signed up. On the home screen, you will see a total rent amount and your upcoming payment schedule. Make sure the rent amount and due date looks correct before continuing. Flex usually split your rent into two payments. First payment is due at the start of the month. Second payment is due later in the month. Tap view schedule or payment details, see exact date and amount. If this is your first time, Flex will ask you to add a bank account or debit card. Follow the on-screen steps to securely connect your payment method. When it's time to pay, tap pay now. Flex will automatically process your payment on the scheduled date. You will see a confirmation once the payment is successfully paid. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.